guys. Ano na? 12:35 na ngayon pa lang tayo mag-vlog. Nakaligo na tayo. And si Kuyas, tapos si Jan, si Joe, and Kobe nag-golf ulit sila. Sa Loxton naman sila. Kahapon sa Berry sila. Napabook nila yung mga activities nila for golfing 2 weeks ago pa, guys. And si Sak nandito. And kagabi, hindi ako nakapaghugas. First time kong natulog na may hugasan kasi wala lang yung kagabi. Kumain tayo kila Sophie. And then, after namin kumain, pumunta tayo doon sa arcade nila. And medyo matagal-tagal din kami doon. And sobrang nag-enjoy lahat. Yung mag-daddy, si Joe, tsaka si Jan, enjoy na enjoy. Tapos yung mga bata. Kami ni Kali, tawa lang din kami ng tao pag si Joe, tsaka si Jan yung naglalaro. And ano pa ba? Yeah, late na kami nakauwi. Tapos, tinapos ko yung pag-i-edit ko. And then, nung natapos ko na yung pag-edit ko, tulog na si Jan. Naligo to si Sak dito sa shower. And, maghugasan ako. And si John said, bukas ka na maghugas kasi tulog na kami dito. So,
garlic in it?
What garlic?
I mean, sour cream?
Yeah, it's up to you. And, yeah, so ngayon parang maghuhugas, tapos nag-ano muna ako, naligo ako, tapos nag-sleep in ako. Tomato sauce? Yes. Wait, no, you don't need tomato sauce for salami. And then yung breakfast ni Holly, at saka, did you eat this one without milk?
No.
No?
I just ate a little bit.
Oh, yeah, you did?
No, I only just...
Yeah, nag-ano lang siya dyan.
I just...
Kumuha siyang konting, ito yung may, si Holly nakadalawa or 3 bowl. And then, early in the morning, and what time do you think Holly went to the nail salon? 9?
9?
Oh, 9 o'clock.
No, they didn't go 9. They went at like 10.
10? Oh, 10. Nag-sleep in din kasi sila. So, 10 sila nagpunta ng salon. Nagpa-nail si Kylie, di ba kung maalala niyo? Tapos, nagpa-toenails din si Holly. Hindi ako sumama kasi nasa bed pa din ako nun. Then, after kong magmuni-muni sa bed, naligo, nilinis ko dito yung kalat nila. Ito na lang yung gagawin ko, hugasan. Tapos, ito namang batang to gumagawa ng kanyang
Are you coming? No.
ano, salami. And then, gusto nila mag-swimming. So, si Sak, magsasalami wrap. You didn't put anything.
Well, I want sauce.
Well, put some,
Well, then I'm just gonna tip a little bit of this in.
I'll do it. You don't put salami on the, you don't put sauce.
Oh, that's what I want.
Salami. Not salami, is that? And then yung shower, hindi ko pa kayo nadadala dun sa ano nila, bathroom and toilet nila, guys.
Yeah, that's so soggy.
They have, they have 24 hours yung music nila. Do you have music in your bathroom? Bathroom and toilet?
Yeah.
Yeah? 24 hours. As in, 24 hours. Which is good kasi hindi ka matatakot. Kasi minsan, mga alas 2, alas 3, umiihi din ako.
We're still gonna go swimming, Mum. We're just waiting.
You're waiting for Kylie.
We're waiting for you.
For me,
Not for...
Kuya Sa. Si Holly na ka. Say good morning.
Morning! What's in the wrap?
Ayan yung toast. Yung toast niya. Tingnan niyo yung color. Salami. Wait. Baba, show your toes. Yeah, do that. Do that here. Si Kylie susunod na lang sa amin kasi ang mga bata, kating-kati na sila mag-swimming. Pupunta tayo sa ibang pool. Yung isang pool doon sa side na yun, doon sa malapit sa amin. Eto, hindi ko alam kung saan. Pero nakapunta na sila nung kahapon kasama si Kobe. Yung buko, hindi ko pa yan sinuklay, guys. Basa pa. Maganda yung weather. Hindi siya ganun kalamig. Pero kailangan mo pa rin ng jumper. Pero si Sakwalay, ano lang siya, hubad na may towel. Dito na tayo sa kabila. Ang ganda ng ano nila dito, ha, pa-pool din, wala lang katulad dun sa kabila, may mga puno. Eto, ganito lang. Is it cold, Papa? Okay. Jump in. Put your body.
Put my whole body in.
Yep.
You won't. I'll do it.
Go.
Do it like you do it. Do it.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
How about you, Baba? Go.
Yeah, definitely not me.
1, Go, Zach! Jump!
Run to that side and back.
Go!
Put my body in there.
Mababaw lang dito.
Put your whole body.
Kasi doon sa kabila malalim yung kalahating part ng pool. Dalawa yung pool doon eh.
Ollie, put your body in.
Oh, it's getting warmer now.
Oh, it actually is getting warmer.
The sun is out.
Ollie, put your whole head on. And the left eye.
So I don't have to put my whole body. Can I put my head in just first?
No, you have to put...
Just my head in.
No, Baba. You have to put your body first, not your head. Just jump in. Go.
Should I put
No.
camera?
Is that?
No, you can't. This is not waterproof, Baba.
Where's my waterproof one?
The GoPro at home.
Wait, isn't that the GoPro?
This is not the GoPro. This is the DJI Osmo. Gamit ko na pala ito ulit na DJI Osmo. Pocket 2.
Hang on, how about I hold your hand? No, hold your hand and the other hand goes like this.
Come on, yeah. Go, Baba.
Your nose and we'll go under.
Do it. Both of you. Go, Zach. Jump in, Zach.
It's your fault if I'm very cold.
You're the one who wants to swim, not me. Go, Zaki. Jump in, Zach. Alright, let's go. Or you're the one who wants to go swimming, not me.
Yeah, it was Sophie.
Yeah, it was me.
Alright, let's go then. So I can wash the dishes.
Mum's coming in a second. Stop.
No. No, Zach. Zach. No. I'm gonna be wet. Oh, ayaw pa nila jump. So yan pala yung likod ng mga yung apartment. Doon tayo nag-walking kahapon, 'di ba? So ito yung access nila dito sa pool. Ang ganda ng apartment na yan, guys. So kaano pa rin siya, karugtong pa rin siya ng caravan park. Pero apartment naman siya. Tapos may access din sila dito sa pool. Are you going in?
3, 2, 1.
Zachary! You're a cheater.
It was refreshing.
Come on, Zach!
I'll swim to there and back.
Okay, go.
Oh, don't leave, you know.
Go.
Oh!
No pushing. Go, Zach.
If I go there and back, you gotta go and see.
Come on. That's right. So, smile. Here.
That's nice.
See? Go, Baba.
I got this set.
Alright.
It's nice when you get out.
See? No, gustong-gusto niya na.
At least West Beach is heated.
Yes. So, yung pool doon sa pupunta natin.
Ray going to the caravan park with them, picked up the boys.
Not sure. Mag-ano yung dalawa? Mag-race. Go!
Whoever goes past me is the winner.
Ay, asan na?
Why is that bad?
Lumangoy na siya. Pero bumalik.
I love you.
Kami ni Kylie, guys, naiwan sa pool. Ngayon lang kayo bumalik. Nagchika-chika pa kami ni Kyle. Yung buhok ko nag-mark yung hot. Si Holly nakaligo na. Si Sak,
Nothing.
si Sak, yes. Si Sak,
So can
Nag-
nothing on it.
kaliligo lang dito sa, ayan siya. I'm not gonna, hello, Zach. Ayun, kaliligo niya lang dito sa sa shower namin. Pumunta pa siya sa isang pool. Siya na talaga. Okay, maghugas na ako, guys. Wala pa yung boys. Anong
What's
oras?
for dinner?
I'm gonna make clubhouse sandwich tayo tonight. Ano na, guys?
We're going out for tea.
No, 2:18. No, I'm gonna make Clubhouse, bacon, eggs.
I don't want that.
You don't want that? Oh, okay.
I have a bacon and egg wrap.
Ha?
I have a bacon and egg wrap.
Gusto niya lagi ang wraps.
I'm having my time.
Yung buhok ko, nasa na yung tali ko? Wait lang nga, hanapin ko yung tali. Can you find my tali, Baba?
Hair top.
Yeah. Where's my
You
hair?
can borrow mine.
Where? No, I have it here na. Okay. Maghugas na tayo. Ang bilis ng oras.
Mum, what were you doing at the...
Okay na ba? Yung
Were
buhok ko
you
na...
still there at that pool, Mum?
Yeah.
Doing what?
Just talking.
I have an interesting
Ngayon pa tayo maghugas. Wala pa si Johnny Boy. Ha? What's that? Sorry, okay. Here. Baba, can you put this in the cabinet, please? In the pantry?
What?
There. Ang ganda ng weather, guys. Hindi siya ganun ka lamig pag nasa araw ka. Pero pag walang araw, syempre malamig. So, si Skylie nag-sunbathing doon. Pero umuwi na kami. Ang tagal naman ng boys. Ang aga nila umalis, mga 8 o'clock ata. 8 o'clock. Si Kuya, ang aga niya naligo. Ang aga niya naligo. Mag-edit pa pala tayo, guys. Hindi pa ako nakapag-edit for today's vlog. Yung na-upload ko kagabi, anong oras na yun? Natapos ko siya, tapos na-upload siya. Mahirap mag-upload dito. Anong oras na yun? Madaling araw na yun na-upload. Nag-set ako ng alarm para ano ko siya, ma-public. Nag-alarm pa talaga ako. Para wala na talagang late vlog. Except doon nga lang sa, ano ko, yung caravan namin. Yun na lang yung late vlogs na. Ay, actually, meron pa, guys. May mga iba pa kayong hindi nakita. Nung, basta yung sa school nila sa yung bago, meron akong hindi na upload. And, yung ginawan ko sila ng lunch, hindi ko rin yun na-upload. Hindi ko na in-upload kasi nga, gusto ko na maging updated. So, ganoon lang yun. Siguro pag walang mga ganap, i-upload natin ang mga yun. But, for now, updated tayo, guys. Okay? Pero yung caravan, marami naghihingi sa iyo ng caravan vlogs. Nung papunta tayo ng Queensland. Maganda yung, guys, kasi ang dami pa namin napuntahan. Dami naming activities doon. Tapos, meron din sa yung naghihintay nung maliliit pa sila Holly nung sa Bali, hindi ko rin yun natapos. Gustong gusto ko yun ma-upload kasi ang liit pa noon ng mga bata. Ang cute-cute pa nila doon. Tapos si Kobe ngayon, may girlfriend na ang liit pa doon ni Kobe, ni Sophie. Gusto ko yun hanapin. Pero siguro pag nahanap ko yun, hindi na siguro hindi ko na alam kung saan kami, hindi ko na alam ma-remember kung saan ko na yun nalagay na mga ibang yung dates, hindi ko alam kung masusunod-sunod pa ba natin yun. Kasi sa tagal na, ilang taon na yun, diba? Ilang taon. Nag-stain yung spaghetti sauce, ilang taon na yun. So, hindi ko na siguro matrack yung ibang ibang dates. Kasi nga, we'll see. Pag by clips na lang pag hindi ko talaga mahanap sila lahat. Yung makita lang natin yung mga bata, at tapos kung anong mga ginawa namin, kasi gusto ko talaga yun ma-upload din na Bali. Try ko kaya yun. Pang morning yung Bali vlogs, tapos pang gabi yung updated natin. Pag kaya ng aking schedule, guys. Kasi kung alam nyo lang kung gaano kami ka-busy ngayon. Tapos, iba pa yung, lalo na yung mga activities pa ng mga bata. Tapos, every Saturday niyan, lagi na kaming wala sa bahay talaga kasi footy ng mga bata. Ngayon, wala. Wala silang footy kasi nandito tayo. But, pagbalik natin, si Sak may training. Si Sak ulit. Yeah, you have, again, you have a training for Sapsasa for trial 2. Right? Yeah, so sa Thursday yun, guys. So may trial na ulit si Sak. And I-wish natin siya na sana ma-pick ulit siya for trial 3 para ano siya. Well done. Napaka-confident niya. I will make it daw, sabi niya. Hopefully. Yeah, as long as hindi siya masaktan. Basta hindi lang siya mapilayan, maanuhan. Ayun. Gagawin niya ang lahat. So yun, sa Thursday yung second trial ni Sak kasi nakapasok siya, diba? So sa second trial, then pipili ulit doon ng mga bata na kung sino yung nag-outstanding, yung sino yung talagang sa tingin nila magaling. Makapunta naman sa trial 3. So hopefully makasama ulit si Sak. So yeah, and then syempre yung iba pang activities nila, kuya, Holly, dancing, tapos yung mga gawaing bahay, tapos mag-i-edit tayo. So we'll see, guys. Basta gagawin ko ang yung maabot ng aking katawan. Gagawin ko ang paraan para ma-upload natin yung Bali vlogs. Kasi gusto ko talaga. You gonna eat again? You just had, the salad.
I just had that. I had it like
2 hours.
an hour.
Yeah, an hour. That's right, an hour
An
ago.
hour and a half.
Yeah.
Don't want to mess with this, guys.
Wait, don't show it. It's gonna be. Stop, don't do that.
Well, you don't want to mess with me.
Wow, no one will. What? Say,
I said no one
you just
to
joke.
play with me.
No one would play the knife daw. So, yeah. Sana ma-upload natin yung Bali vlogs. Ang cute ba? You love that juice? Yeah, the mango orange juice.
No, milk.
Ah, milk. So, lalo ako niluloko. Ayan daw. Bilhin niyo daw. Here.
Get your cup. Oh, yeah, you want.
Oh, yeah, go get that one.
Mum,
When we got flushes,
Yeah.
me and Sophie straws got broken when we got back. We went to a class. To where?
Ayan, tapos na ako maghugas. I-dry ko na lang ang mga ito. Ito malinis to, Saki. Ayan, gawa ulit siya ng salami wrap with cheese. Favorite niya talaga yan. Ha?
It's actually good.
Try nyo din, guys. Tell them to try. And meron siya ditong, mayroon siya ditong scratch. What happened? Tell them. Sophie daw.
It wasn't Sophie's fault. No, it was her fault. She tripped and then she needed water.
Sa jumping pillow yan nangyari
It was the
kahapon.
jumping pillow's fault because we were jumping out of fun. And then
Si Sak, anong oras na? Guys, timpla tayo ng Berry Glow. Wala pa tayong kain. 3:10 na, guys. And si Sak, naligo ulit sa pool. Sabi ko, wag na muna siya mag-shower. Pang ilang swimming niya na to? Pangatlo. 2 beses na rin siya nagbalnaw. Si Holly hindi na naligo. Sumasama na lang siya pero hindi na siya naliligo. Si Sophie tsaka si Sak, laging nagsiswimming. So, timpla tayong Berry Glow. Gusto kong kainin yung ano. May binili ako nung nakaraan. Nung nag-grocery ako. May binili akong dun sa Coles sa Amay sa amin. Ito yung goat cheese Coles Finest yung brand. Ayan, naka-marinate siya sa parang meron siyang peppercorn tapos may mga iba-ibang klaseng herbs. Gusto kong i-try yan. Tapos meron din akong biling crackers. I-try natin. I-try natin to si Olinas. Ayan, yung wafer. Try ko to. Tapos may grapes dyan. Ay, hindi siya masyadong, yung star niya sa healthiness is 0.5. Hindi siya 5 star. Hindi nga nag 1 star. So, hindi to. Sa next time, hindi ko na to bibilin. Iba ng goat cheese ang itry natin. So, gusto ko siyang itry kasi parang ang sarap niya kasi naka-marinate. And nilugay ko pala yung buhok ko. Kanina tinali ko siya, nilugay ko muna para naman huminga yung ating buhok. Lagi na lang siya nakatali. Hala, wala pa naman si Jan. Baka hindi ko ito mabuksan. Oh, wala yung aking wala yung aking pangbukas. Meron akong ginagamit na para siyang rubber na pambukas ko sa mga garap. Go, ayan. Kaya. So, hindi ko naman pala siya kailangan. Oh, they can see you, Zach. Try natin. May iba ba siyang kulay? Hindi lang siya black.
Oh, those biscuits. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Wala tayong ibang cheese eh.
You know what I was doing while the girls and boys was swimming? Just sitting there watching them have fun.
That's not. Because you already had a swim.
Body in though.
They had 3 swims
I
today.
know.
And how much have you had? One.
One.
One little swim.
Mama, when Kobe
Green
gets,
crackers.
when Kobe gets here, can Kobe take me for a swim?
No more swimming. It's so cold. Ang sarap.
Okay. Is that too good?
No,
Goat
this is
cheese.
goat cheese.
Ew.
You wanna try? Wanna try? Masarap siya. Sige, kainin ko muna to. Tapos may
Some more.
grapes dyan. With cheese?
What is it? Is it good?
Try. Not on my bed. Okay, kain muna. And may chicken din pala ako dyan. You don't like it? Ayaw niya. Okay, kain muna ako guys. And may chicken din ako dyan.
That's one.
Umalis na yung mga bata. And eto na yung aking salad guys. Lalagyan ko na lang siya ng dressing. Nilagyan ko rin siya yung marinated na goat cheese. And naghiwa tayong cucumber. Ayan. So, ayan yung itsura ng salad ko, guys. Punong-puno ng kulay. Kakain muna ako. And my berry glow. Ang sarap ng ating salad, guys. And nakikita ko na si Jan, tsaka si Kuya. Karating-rating lang nila.
Hey, babe. Here, babe.
Hi, hon.
Help me.
How many holes did you play? 19?
19.
18?
36.
36?
Yeah, they just want to keep going. I want to
My
come over and
God.
keep going.
How many rounds? 4?
2. So I played hopeless.
Not good.
Brooke played better than you.
Who played good? You or Daddy? Huh?
Me.
Who? You or TJ? Who played good, yeah?
Me.
That's my kiss.
No, you're right.
Kiss me.
What you want at the shop?
Is bread. Ito, nabili natin to nung una. Nung first day natin dito. Kunin natin yung bacon. Yung nilabas ko kahapon na hindi naman natuloy. Akala ko mag-egg and bacon kami kahapon for breakfast. Or pagdating nila pero hindi natuloy. So, ayan. Lulutuin natin siya today. Wala. Ang dami niyang coffee dito. So, sana wag kayong mahulog dyan. Manoy. Si Jan, nag-start na magluto doon ng bacon.
Are you excited tomorrow, Mom?
For what? For the wedding? Yeah. Gawa tayo ng scrambled eggs.
Hey, cool.
For the toast.
I want toast.
Huh?
Don't want toast.
You don't want toast?
Yes,
I just want bacon.
Just bacon
I
and
don't want bacon and eggs.
very late yung dinner natin ngayon.
Mom, you didn't bring that rice fryer.
Rice fry.
Where
Rice
you cook the
cooker.
rice?
Rice cooker. No, I didn't.
In different
No.
rice.
No. So 6,
I was gonna say,
7.
Mom, can I have some rice?
So 8 eggs. Try ko munang 8 kasi papuno na yung bowl natin. Oh, malamig na ang labas. Madilim na doon sa lulutuan natin. Salt. Pepper. So, pag na-mix ko na to, lalabas na tayo doon. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo ako doon kasi medyo may ilaw naman pero hindi ko alam kung maganda ang lighting dito sa ating camera. So, ayan na yung ating bacon. Wala sila, Joe. May pinuntahan sila kanina. Ang pagdating ni Jan. So, tinawagan ni Jan kung anong oras sila darating para maluto na natin. To sabi nila, on the way na raw sila.
Well, that bacon, Mom.
Yeah.
All the bacon.
No.
Yes, Yes, I.
Ang kulit ng mag-aamo.
Third one. Wait, the third one.
Ito na yung naluluto kong bacon. And ayan pa, more bacon. Naglalaro silang yang haluan. Ang kulit kasi ni Zach. Si Kuya, nasa phone. You already tried. Nag-try na silang bacon. Masarap yung bacon.
It's only got that little bit on it, but that
Yeah.
doesn't mean nothing.
Yeah. Hindi na siya naglagay ng oil kasi may konting fat lang yung bacon natin. Yan na yung kanyang oil. Hindi ko nagamit yung oil na yan. Pina-jacket na siya ni daddy niya. And itong sobrang kulit. Ito nakakadalawa na itong bacon. Oh. Just wait, I'm almost done here. After nito, eggs. Paunahin daw yung itong mga bata kasi parang wala pang Joe and Kylie parating. So, yung mga anak namin, pakainin na namin. Kasi gutom na sila. Ang dami ko na naluto. Sabi ni Jan, lutuin ko daw lahat. Ang dami nito, guys. Meron pa dyan. Ang kulit talaga. Si Kuya, ayan, kumakain na din. Si Holly nag-ride ng kanyang scooter. Ayan na yung naluluto and eto na yung last. Next egg. Okay, tapos na nating lutuin yung ating bacon. Iwawipe lang to ni Jan na.
Wipe it.
Yes, please, son. Careful.
Scrambled eggs, Mom?
Yeah, I'm gonna cook scrambled eggs now.
He's like, yeah, I'm gonna cook scrambled eggs.
Open that on, huh? And put a little bit of olive oil. Please. Thank you. Gumamit pa siya ng knife para mabuksan kasi maluwang na yung ano, yung
Sharp there.
that one, yung i-unscrew.
How much?
That's enough, man. That's enough. Tapos ko na lutuin yung scrambled eggs. At ano naman yung sunny side up eggs.
That's your bloody beautiful sister to look at.
That's what you get for doing that.
Okay na to. Oops. Rani lang to. Ha?
Is that tough enough?
Dalawa. Tatlo.
Does Dalawa mean two?
10. Count
Huh?
to 10.
Does Dalawa means two?
Yeah.
Mom, say count to 20. Go. As
Yeah.
fast as you can.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampo, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20.
That's right.
What's after 21? 21, how do you say 21?
Ano yun? Labing siyam to.
Of
Ah.
How do you say 21?
Biko of the day.
I know how to speak Bicol than Tagalog. Because I know how to say morning, maganda umaga po.
Maganda umaga po.
So, inubos ko yung eggs. Ayan, yung sunny side up eggs na last batch. Nilabas na rin dyan yung toaster natin. And eto na yung bacon. Yung ating scrambled eggs. Kasi si Sak tsaka si Holly and Sophie gusto nila scrambled eggs. Eto kay Kuya, sunny side up eggs. Pero hard yung yolk. And eto yung lettuce. Wala akong kamatis. Yun ang nakalimutan ko ipabili kay Jan kamatis. Tapos eto yung sunny side up eggs. Pero ang gagawin ko dyan is imimix ko yan guys. Yung what you call that? Imamash ko siya. Imamash. Basta, yun ang gagawin. Kasi ayan yung mayonnaise natin. And siya, mag-start na siya doon mag-toast. Ito yung gusto ni Jan. Yung dinudurog yung runny yolk.
Who's first? Yeah.
Kuya first.
Yeah.
Si Sak ayaw niya mag-bread. Okay.
Yes, please, Mom.
What?
Thanks, Mom.
You want now sauce, right?
You want
There's
sauce?
no tomato sauce. It's only
Yes,
a
there
jar.
is.
Yes, we
There's
do.
sauce there.
Where? Mom, your dad's working. Yes, I do want Which one's mine?
This one. I'm gonna put 3 layer here.
Now. Please.
Cheese one, cheese. Bega. Ito yung isa sa gusto niya rin na cheese. Aside dun sa isa. Ito nagugustuhan niya to kasi yung isa na favorite niya, ang hirap niya na ipaghiwalay sa ano. Sobrang nipis niya. So this is Kuya. Kuya, where's the sauce?
Fly.
May fly na papasok.
Smoke
Mom, I
all
want some aioli too.
Okay.
Instead of
Yes,
and tomato sauce.
Woo!
I want everything. I want the good stuff. No? Yeah.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
So yung kay Kuya.
Mom,
Here you go, yeah. Yum.
put 20.
Who's next? Daddy.
Excuse me, excuse me.
Holly.
Yes!
But Holly
Mom,
don't want toast.
Mom, can I just have more, please?
What
do you want?
More what? Here.
And more bacon, that's enough, and some
That we got
eggy.
to say cuties or port.
Okay. So wala pang kakain si Kuya ng sisak. Si Holly, where's your plate?
Flavor pub.
Here.
Trying to walk.
What do you want? Plate, Baba? You don't want toast, Holly?
Yeah, it's over.
You don't want toast, Holly?
Yeah, I don't want any toasters.
Can I have the sauce, please?
Just wait.
Where's that for?
Ito kay Holly.
What's the light? Yeah?
Dad, can you get that orange and mango drink for me?
Not now.
Here,
You
wait,
wait.
you have to eat first.
Sauce one, pass the sauce first.
Okay, here. Let's put that one there. That's
Yeah,
it.
just tip it.
Okay.
Don't spray it everywhere.
Here's the pipasa. Next na gagawan namin is si Kylie. Lahat.
Mom!
Go get the disposal.
I got it. What are you doing, Mom? I had that.
Okay.
I had that, Mom. What are you doing?
I'm just gonna put mayonnaise for Kat. I don't know if she wants ayaw.
Oh, there's toast.
Nandito na sila.
Alright, put that in the sink.
Hello.
Could be left line tomorrow.
Go.
Yep. Really didn't.
We
Yep.
rang up.
Yeah, he did.
Yeah.
He's fine. He's
You are
fine.
playing.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Joey, I'm going in the car with you again. He's coming now.
Shit. Why is he going in the car with me?
He's got a good chain.
Got $4.
Your tea's coming red.
Oh, we're doing Ambrose again.
Mate, we would still be there.
Sinjillies.
When he did that, I should have videoed that. That just cracked me up.
I was
Yeah,
gonna.
man, you're in the car and you're always messing around changing gears, but he was taking his foot off the accelerator
And
at
putting the other one.
because it had this whine to it. It was just sounded perfect. I was losing it.
Then like, I take it off, put the left foot on the brake, and then like that, and then
Then
push
she's
it back.
then she's had the
Exactly like
she's had the putter in there because he didn't have a gear stick there for a bit. He was just pretending he had a gear stick. Then he's had the putter in there, and then the bottle was sitting in the thing there.
Just
She was
put it
going-
on. Fix it.
I only had 6 gears.
Get Joe plate behind the small plate, please. Back plate. Walang nakikinig sa akin.
What's that? Huh? What?
Ito yung kay Joey. Ayan yung may
How
lettuce.
are you barracking for port? Who got you barracking for port?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Where's John's?
Oh, he's late. We can eat later, Joe. I prioritize my visitors.
Thank you.
Yours next.
No, make John's first.
Nah, she's alright.
How about half done?
Ah.
Tapos na guys kumain. And nakalinis na ako, nakapaghugas. And si Joe, nakadalawa siyang clubhouse. Sobrang gusto niya yung gawa nating clubhouse. Sabi niya, mas better pa daw doon sa kinainan nila sa Bali. Kasi last year nagbali sila and kumain sila noon. And sabi niya, yung akin daw, pag binenta ko raw yun, bibili siya lagi. Sabi ko, hindi ka bibili, bibigyan lang kita. So, nakapaghugas na pala ako. Ayan, hugasan na natin. Nalinis na talaga dyan. And, ito yung tirang bacon. Meron pang tira. And, nasa labas sila, nagpapausok sa sobrang kabusugan. And si Kobe, gustong-gusto niya rin. And si Kalat, si Sophie, hindi siya kumain ng clubhouse. Ano lang siya, yung scrambled eggs and bacon na dalawa. Same as kay Sak, pero si Sak nakaraming bacon siya kay eggs. Si Holly, dalawang bacon and scrambled eggs lang din siya. Hindi siya ng toast. So, labas tayo kasi nandito sila sa labas. Nandito sila. Caravan. Nandun si Holly tsaka si Sof sa caravan nila Joe. Ginawan tayo ni Kylie ng hot chocolate. Thanks, Kylie. What's that? Ah. Thank you. And Try ako mag-edit. Kala ninyo, kinakausap ko siya.
So who are you talking to?
Lagi siyang lumilingon. Ha?
Sorry.
No, you're right. Tawag nito, wala. Naumpisan ko lang. Wala pa ako sa kalahati sa pag-edit, guys. So, we'll see kung mayroon tayong vlog today.
Yeah, Joan just said, that fat prick that's sitting at the end of the table, he's giving me shit to talk to myself.
No. I said about my editing. I didn't finish. Tapos, pupunta na naman kayo doon sa arcade, guys. Kasi gusto gusto maglaro ulit ng air hockey ng mga bata. Gusto ni Kali yung Tim Tam. With coffee. What you did? For sure, you did something to my computer.
They've got $4, that's $2.
Sinasaw niya yung Tim Tam.
Come on, Kobe.
I'm like, yeah, I'm going to get a big girl out.
What's the big girl?
Big jacket.
Kunin niya yung Kathmandu kasi ang lamig na guys sa labas.
Big car.
Lalo pag gabi.
Get a big tack man doing that, right?
Look at that, he'll be bleeding on time. St Kilda win by 2 points.
Dito na naman kami guys. Para maglaro sila niya ng air hockey. Sobrang lamig na ito ay sobrang nakakatulong. Tapos na guys. Time is 9:33. Si Holly nakaangkas kay Kobe sa balikat. Ako naka-scooter, ang dilim na. Dala ko yung scooter ni Sak. Nandun siya sa daddy niya.
Because I think I do.